Introduction to the automated axial fan duct rolling and welding production line. It can accommodate a variety of coils of varying thicknesses and materials, automatically feeding them into a leveling machine for flattening and eliminating bends. After leveling, the sheet material is automatically fed to a laser cutting platform for cutting according to the drawing. The sheet material is automatically fed to the 4-rolls rolling machine through the conveying platform for automatic rolling and forming. According to the output, 1 to 3 lifting straight seam welding machines can be configured to meet the needs of automated axial fan duct production. After welding is complete, the coil is transported off the production line by a conveyor trolley and moved to the automatic flanging and punching areas.